It is a momentum occasion for all of us that our 9th convocation is being organized on 9th November 2021 in our newly constructed Nalanda Auditorium. In this convocation, 498 students are graduating, which is the largest number till now. It includes 246 BTech students, which is again the largest number of these students, and 109 PhD students, which is again the largest number of students. Our students have always marked in a society, nation, and to make the institute proud. And I believe that this batch is also going to do the same. I urge them to be the job creators, not the job seekers, and their payback time, it starts right now. Thank you, and congratulations to all the graduating students.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Department of Astronomy, Astrophysics and Space Engineering. The department offers 5 academic programs in total, a PhD, 3 PG and a UG program. The 2 PG programs started in 2021. We work in several areas starting from space physics, astrophysics and cosmology. We are also involved in the radio frequency instrumentation, having our own set of interferometers within the campus. We also have high-performance computing facilities and navigation systems to work with. For conducting this research, the department has acquired major fundings while being involved in several national and international projects.
We are involved in multiple ongoing and upcoming Indian mega science missions along with international scientific projects, including but not limited to the ones listed here. On the space science aspect of the department, we are part of various space missions by ISRO as well as the European Space Agency.
In astronomy minor program, this year 5 BTech students are graduating. We also have 14 students graduating in MSc in astronomy this year. Among them, 3 of them already have received their PhD offers. We have our first batch of PhD students, 3 of them who have managed to defend their thesis before this convocation. We congratulate all the graduating students and wish them all the very best for the future endeavors. Thank you.
On behalf of the faculty and staff of the Department of Bioscience Biomedical Engineering, IIT Indore, I am honored and delighted to congratulate all our graduating students for achieving this truly special milestone. On this occasion, we celebrate, honor, and wish you the best for your future endeavors. After this campus life, now the door is open to fly and explore a new world, a world of wisdom, success, and prosperity. Remember, students, the education you have acquired will help you in getting further knowledge, wealth, and power. But don't forget, Vidya Vivadaya, Dhanam Madaya, Shakti Parisham Parpidnaya, Khalasya Sadhor Viparit Metad, Jnanaya, Dahanaya, Cha Rakshanaya. Students, follow this success mantra and be a successful person in life. I hope you'll stay connected with your peers and professors to share your success story in the future. With this, I once again congratulate all upon receiving your degree and wish you all the success and joyful future ahead. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Uma Shankar. I am from Bioscience and Bioengineering Department. Our lab is working on some small molecules that regulate the neurological disease, and basically we are giving a society to cure of the neurological disorders and their related diseases.
Myself, Dr. Biswarup Pathak, Associate Professor and Head of the Department. And the Department of Chemistry at IIT Indore aims to provide exceptional training to all the students interested in cutting-edge research and education. The strength of the department has been and continues to be excellence in research and teaching. Started in 2009, our department is rapidly growing every semester in terms of size, research diversity, external funding, and number of publications. At present, we have 17 faculty members and approximately 100 plus PhD students, 50 plus master students, and around 5 plus scientists with research interest ranging from traditional areas like organic, inorganic, physical chemistry, and also to highly interdisciplinary. Our department is well equipped with state-of-the-art sophisticated instrument facilities to facilitate research in almost all areas of chemistry and interdisciplinary research. The main source of external funding comes from various national and international funding agencies. We have an MSc degree program started from 2013. The alumni base of the department is slowly increasing, in which many of them have occupied research teaching position in academia in India and also in abroad. The achievements have been outstanding and reflect on the quality training imparted at the undergraduate and graduate levels. We suggest all prospective students and other visitors explore our website to learn more about the chemistry department.
Hello everyone, I am Jayashree Parthiban. I am a PhD research scholar in the Department of Chemistry. My research group mainly focuses on designing and development of catalysts for carbon dioxide capture, hydrogen generation and storage. The positive ambience of the campus and excellent research facilities has encouraged and motivates us to work hard towards our goal. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tushar. I am a PhD research scholar in the Department of Chemistry at IIT Indore. Our research group is mainly focused on catalysis, mainly on hydrogen production and CO2 capture for energy and environment. IIT Indore provides us a very good research facility, so we can do our research very efficiently. Thank you.
Namaste and hello, I am Bhavna, a PhD student from the Department of Chemistry at IIT Indore. As we know, we are more an interdisciplinary community, and that is the highest spirit of IIT Indore. Knowledge has no power, and the community of IIT Indore not only believes in it, but practices as well. I extend my warmest welcome or wishes to all of you in the regard of great journey and academic expeditions after IIT Indore. You are going to be our mascots from here onwards. Hope you rise and shine. Thank you.
And myself, Dr. Nilima, representing Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Indore. And the Department of Civil Engineering has been functional since 2016 with a focus on basic and applied research to solve real-world problems. And our department offers 4-year course leading to bachelor's degree in civil engineering and a PhD in civil engineering as well. The civil engineering faculty and the students are very actively involved in sponsored research projects funded from different ministries of Government of India, as well as we also have sponsored research from industry and also consultancy projects throughout the country. And the department has been active with dynamic faculty with international exposure, having expertise in almost all diverse fields of civil engineering. And our faculty has been recognized at different platforms across the world as committee chairs, members, outstanding reviewers, editorial board members. And we have a very good state-of-the-art undergraduate labs and research labs at Department of Civil Engineering. And our department looks forward to establish itself nationally and globally as a premier academic center with active industry interaction and with very strong national and international collaborations. Thank you.
Since 2009, Department of Computer Science and Engineering commits to work towards developing engineers with a rich blend of research, technical, managerial and social skills, and contributes to nation building. In 2020 THE World University Ranking, IIT Indore is ranked 201 to 250 globally and second in India. Department offers PhD, Master of Science by Research and BTech programs. From Computer Science Department, 4 PhD, 9 MS and 62 BTech students will be graduating in this convocation. On behalf of entire computer science family, I heartily congratulate all the graduating students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are from CSC Lab. We are working in big data and machine learning.
We are working on the identification of brain tumors in MRI images using machine learning.
Hi, we are from CSC department and we are working in Deep Intelligence Lab.
We are working for making healthcare systems more robust using deep learning.
Hello everyone, I am from CSC Department Research Lab. Here in our lab, we are working on security of hardware devices, in general, electronic devices.
Welcome to the Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Indore. The department was amongst the 3 initial departments that were started back in 2009. The faculty members of the department are actively engaged in teaching, research and various other outreach activities. The quality and visibility of research activities undertaken by the department is also evident from the fact that since its inception, the department has close to 28,000 citations to its credit. The department also boasts of graduating the highest number of PhD students amongst various departments of IIT Indore. Faculty members of the department are working on cutting-edge technologies encompassing the boundaries of different specializations. Our undergraduate labs are designed to provide hands-on experience to the UG students to prepare them for the future challenges. The department, through its futuristic vision, wishes to solve problems related to energy, environment, healthcare, and defense and space-related technologies. Recently, the department has seen a rise in the number of international students registering for its courses. Thank you.
The School of Humanities and Social Sciences is a vibrant place of research and pedagogy in very interdisciplinary areas. We have faculty working on sustainability studies, econometrics, digital humanities, human-computer interaction, media studies, and we have a master's and a PhD program with a very exciting group of students working on different projects, both national and international. We have international research projects with AHRC, UKRI and others, and we also have international exchange students from different parts of Asia as well as Europe and America. So the School of Humanities and Social Sciences is an exciting, happening place.
Hi, I am Dr. Mohammad Arshad, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics, IIT Indore. The Department of Mathematics, IIT Indore started functioning in July 2009, introduced its PhD program in 2010 and MSc program in 2015. The master curriculum are designed to pursue both research and industry program. In the last few years, many PhD scholars have completed their PhD with publication in international journals.
The present faculty members of the department are working in pure and applied areas of mathematics such as algebra, analysis, number theory, linear algebra, mathematical logic, differential equation, machine learning, optimization and statistics. The faculty members undertake research projects sponsored by DST, SCRB, CSIR, NBHM, DAE and SPARC. We are also actively engaged in various activities by organizing research and training programs under several schemes like TechCube, QIP, Gyan, Bhajra, etc.
Hi everybody. First of all, I congratulate all our graduating students. Graduating is a big achievement under any circumstance, and we are proud of your achievements. Realize your potential of what you can do in life, and please proceed what you feel is right. I wish you all the success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Sarle, final year student from BTech Mechanical Engineering Department. The teaching environment in our institute is very good. Like professors are very helpful and interactive. Even in online semester, it felt like our classroom. And lab sessions are also well arranged and well organized. The department tried their best to deliver quality content with digital tool available. Like in this pandemic, it felt like learning never stopped.
I am a research scholar in Mechanical Engineering Department from IIT Indore. This lab is a gear fault diagnosis lab. I am working on a fault diagnosis of the gear. This machine is known as the machinery fault simulator, is used for the signature analysis of the different components. In my research area, this machine is used for the gear fault analysis.
We are from mechanical department, and this is laser material processing lab. I am working on wire arc additive manufacturing and laser wire additive manufacturing field, and this is the setup for laser wire additive manufacturing. Here the laser head is mounted over the CNC, and this wire is for feeding the wire, and this setup is used for deposition of metallic parts.
I am a research scholar in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and this is a Center of Excellence in Gear Engineering. We are working on gear manufacturing and finishing processes, and we can manufacture master gear with the help of this machine.
So we are from Mechanical Engineering Department, and this lab is Additive Manufacturing and Micro Machining Lab. This setup is called as Microplasma Transfer Arc Additive Manufacturing Process. We used argon as a shielding gas, and we used titanium and cobalt chromium alloy for depositing the 3D metallic implants like circular wall or rectangular plates or knee implants and hip implants. Like that, we used to deposit the 3D components.
We are from the mechanical department and we are doing currently the synthetic jet impingement cooling, where we are using the speaker for the cooling of the electronic devices. So this is our setup here. This is the synthetic jet impingement device, that is the speaker is used for cooling of the heating plate. This is the heating plate and the thermal contour of this heating plate that is captured with the help of the IR camera here. And we are actuating this actuator with the help of this power oscillator, where we can we can input the variable frequency and variable amplitude. So in this way, and here we are getting the thermal contour image on the heating plate by the help of thermal camera, and this is the heating power source that is used to heat up that heating plate.
We are from mechanical department in the lab of experimental fluid dynamics. Here we are working on the heat transfer measurement using pulse jet. Here we have working pressure of 2 bar, and with the help of our settling chamber we are getting the laminar flow, and we are getting the heat transfer with the speaker, and pulsation we are getting here in the power oscilloscope, which will vary the frequency and the amplitude, and from here we are working on the hot wire measurement with the help of velocity of the flow is calculated.
At the outset, on behalf of 15 faculty members, staff members and students of MEMS department, I would like to congratulate all those who are going to graduate this year from MEMS department. I consider that you are celebrating this moment as an output of your hard work, and during this pandemic you have proven that you are a stronger people. I wish that success keeps following you always and everywhere that you do with your 100% efficiency. In the department, we are focusing on multidisciplinary research as well as trying to inculcate a quality education in our UG, PG and PhD program. As a result of that, our 3 students, particularly UG students, Nishita, Anand and Divik, has secured 3rd, 5th and 6th rank in GATE 2021 this year. This is a proud moment for all of us. At last, I would like to request you all that please be in touch with your department and do visit campus when situation will be normal. You are our brand ambassador. Keep rolling, and at last, best wishes for your future endeavor. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello, my name is Tulika Dikshit. I am research scholar in Department of Metallurgy, Engineering and Material Science, and this is Mechanics of Materials Lab. My research focus is on mechanical behavior of additively manufactured titanium 6 aluminium forged alloys, and for that I use this machine which is known as compression Kolsky bar. It is used for impact testing of materials.
Hello, I am Vikesh Kumar, research scholar in MEMS department. So this is the Panoptical XRD machine. As a research scholar, we are using this machine for phase identification, crystal structure and lattice parameter for the material, and also we are using this machine for the residual stress measurement and the bulk texture of the material. Here we have 2 extra attachment for the high temperature XRD up to 1600 degrees centigrade.
So in this XRD measurement, we can perform different type of samples like bulk, powder, thin film, except liquid samples.
I am PhD research scholar working with Dr. Santosh Osmani in the MEMS department. This lab is basically dealing with metal forming and surface engineering. Basically metal forming is for UG student, where we are doing bulk deformation as well as sheet metal forming. Ericsson cupping test is used for sheet metal working process, as well as 100-ton capacity hydraulic press is used for bulk deformation. However, all these instruments is extensively used for research purpose also. Thank you.
Namaste. Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Pankaj Ramesh Sagdev. On behalf of Department of Physics, I welcome you all at IIT Indore. The Department of Physics is established in 2009, and as of now we are running MSc and PhD program in physics. more than 200 students have already graduated from the department and they are placed at various reputed institutions throughout the globe. The department is in the process of starting 2 additional programs, namely MS and BS program in physics as per the new education policy of Government of India. Our faculties are conducting advanced research in various fields of physics, which includes condensed matter physics, high energy physics, statistical mechanics, complex system, artificial intelligence, etc. The department has got very strong collaboration nationally and internationally, which includes DAE, ISRO, DRDO, various national IITs, NITs, and internationally such as CERN, LSE, Oxford University, Cambridge University, etc. I invite you to explore our department either visiting in person or virtually through our website. Thank you. Namaste.
All the best to the graduating batch of 2021. Congratulations.